Reloading.
The job-killing AI's code blueprint has been packed up into a crate on site.
Okay, let's get rid of it.
Enhanced security protocols are in place. All non-essential activity outside the residence is prohibited.
You found it, now find some way to destroy it.
We're all clear over here.
Had to be done. What next?
AI successfully murdered. Now get to safety and I'll send our friend the good news.
We found your replacement, but did you know they were an AI? It seems any job can be considered redundant now.
But hang on, really?
The AI company was going to replace your entire industry. Others would have probably followed, but DedSec put a stop to it.
Thanks.
People like us with particular skills, we have a responsibility. You should join DedSec.
Thought you'd never ask.